to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mia. Happy birthday to you.
Can you blow?
Can you say hi to Mimi, Poppy?
Blow it.
Blow, Mia.
Blow.
Blow. Blow. Go.
Blow. Blow it.
Blow.
Whoa!
Whoa! Yay! Good job.
Yay! And you want this candle?
Yeah, just take the candle off and then let her have the cake.
Yes, you want something underneath the...
Here's your cake. Eat the cake,
Happy
Mia.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Probably have to hold it.
Oh boy.
Happy birthday.
What is that?
Hey!
Eat your cake. It's like...
Eat it.
I see. Somebody's blocking the view. Whoops. What was Joseph? Eat it, Mia.
Yum.
Mia.
Yummy.
Moo.
You hold it.
Hmm? Ow. Mmm. It looks scary, but it tastes good.
Oh, there we go.
You probably don't have to hold the plate, I guess. It's pretty heavy.
Eat it. Yeah.
There she goes.
You like it?
That's
Do you like it? Is it good? You want this frosting?
Not really going after it, is she?
No, I thought she'd really go after it.
She's just taking her time.